morning. Good morning. How are you? Still hungry or already eat your breakfast? Huh? How are you, Ming? Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Okay, I will give you some little food because I'm not already finished my breakfast. So, okay. Just wait for a minute. Just wait for a while. Okay, okay.